Hello, how's everybody doing? So today's Saturday. We are in the mood for some seafood. So I went out to the store and we are going to make some seafood boil. I bought some cooked crawfish because I can't find any live one. And we have the crab leg, clam, and we have the shrimp, potato, sausage, corn, garlic, butter, and we're going to use the Old Bay seasoning, and I like to add a little bit of the white wine sauce to it. So we are getting ready to start. So I have this big pot here, so I already started the water, so we put about 75% of the water in this pot, and then I let it boil for maybe about a couple minutes, and then I'm gonna add the potato and the corn and the sausage in here. So I'm gonna go ahead, you can get this corn from the store. I get them frozen, so we're just gonna go and put them in here. The pack of 6 for about $1.99. All right, and then we're gonna put the potato in here. Oops, slippery. And you want to cook this for maybe about 10 minutes until the potato is cooked. I actually probably gonna put it in here for 5 minutes before I add the sausage in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some Old Bay seasoning in here. Again, it depends on how much you want. It's up to your taste. I'm gonna add about 3 tablespoons. Okay, I'm just gonna let it boil for about 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna add the sausage in there. Alright, so now I'm gonna put the garlic in here. It takes a lot longer to boil, so I'm gonna put the garlic. And then I'm gonna put the sausage in here. Now we're gonna let it cook until the potato is tender before we put the seafood in. So we'll come back, check on it about 10 minutes. Okay, so it has been about 10 minutes in. The potato is almost done. So instead of adding white wine, I decided to add in some dark beer. Okay. So what it's gonna do is gonna take away the seafood smell. Alright. Okay, so now it's boiling, so I'm going to go ahead and start adding in the rest of the seafood in here. Don't put them in too fast. So now next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add this crawfish in here. So I let it boil for about 5 minutes after I put everything else, the seafood and the crawfish, and now I'm going to put the shrimp. Make sure we're only going to cook this for a couple minutes, and don't overcook the shrimp because then it'd be kind of chewy. Okay, so it's done. So now I'm gonna go ahead and scoop everything out and put them in the pot over here. Drain it out. So I'm gonna make this. Make the sauce. I'll put it over it. So 1 stick of butter. Okay, so now the butter's melted, so now I'm going to add a little bit of broth in here. Alright, so the butter is already melted, so now I'm going to add the broth from the seafood that we cooked on. Just a little it. And then I am going to add a little bit of seasoning. I like to use this seasoning here. Just gonna put a little bit in here. And then we're just gonna put it over. So here's the broth that I made. So we're just gonna pour this on here. All right, so we're done. Okay, so this is my version of the seafood boil. So give it a try. Enjoy it.